Hey friends, if you wish to pin a website to the taskbar or start menu using Microsoft Edge in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now I'll tell you why it's important. Let's say I have YouTube here. Now I can open Microsoft Edge and navigate to YouTube, but wouldn't it be wonderful if YouTube was already pinned to the taskbar as a website? Okay, YouTube is a very popular website. It has an app as well. Let's say GeekChamp. Okay, GeekChamp doesn't even have an app. I wish to pin it to the taskbar so that I can keep opening it frequently. So all I need to do is click on these three dots at the top right corner, select more tools and then click on pin to taskbar, and then it will ask for this thing. And even if I close it, all I need to do to open GeekChamp is click on the icon and it will open GeekChamp in the browser. Okay, so this is one thing. And if I wish to pin it to the start menu, I can click on pin to start. Okay, click on yes and it will be pinned to the start menu as well. So was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.